Inaantay nyo akong tamaan, no? Pwes, eto na ang inaantay nyo. Ang bagong tool ni Habi Ali, airbrush.
Presenting Hobby Ali's X501 SP Dual Action Airbrush. Aesthetically built for you, fellow builders. Meron siyang nozzle cover, flat type needle cup, dual action trigger, airflow adjustment, 7cc airbrush cup, and another 2cc cup. Standard 0.3mm needle, 2 spare needles, 0.5mm for your burst mode, and 0.2mm for your pre-shade mode with assigned nozzle per needle sizes. Paint dropper with manuals para hindi ka maligaw, di gaya ng puso mong ligaw. Can assembled and disassembled with your bare hands.
So fellow builders, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Buga na!
Now, go check Hobby Ali sites and get yours now. Build beyond limits.
Never stop.